Okay, good morning, student. Algebra practicals we have completed. If you have any doubt related to that readings or writing or observation of calculation, you can ask me. I'll repeat it. Don't worry. And last practical which we have done, no, that is from old journal. So, okay, because theory part is also very important and practical part is also important. And I said, that full practical will not be asked in SSC board practical exam. It will be cut down or part into four parts. Some student have to take only reading. Some have to find out less than five. Some so in different part they will ask. They will not ask full long experiment at a time as a single question. So don't worry. And okay, for practice of theory and practical both, it is useful. So don't think that we have wasted our time. Now in geometry, first practical that is on similarity. The difference between the similarity and congruence of the triangle. First, I will compare similar. What is the similar in similarity and congruent? In both, for the triangle, angles are congruent, and in congruent triangle, sides are congruent. But in similarity, sides are in proportion. Okay, so there are 6 points for two similar triangles that we have to take the reading, that we have to compare, and to fill a table of 23. ABC and PQR. Triangle ABC and PQR. For example, it is 6, 9. For example, it is 4, it is 6. For example, it is 10, this is 15. This is A, B, and C. This is P, Q, and R. Now, uh, table number 1, measurement of side. So AB, PQ, AB, BC, CA, PQ, QR, RP. That we have to write. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 10 centimeter. These are the paper cuttings they will provide you, and PQQRRP 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Then in next exercise or a column of the table, you have to write AB by PQ, AB by PQ, that is 6 by 9, 3 2s are 3 3s are. Then BC by of this two. Now of this, that is 4 by 6, half half. Now third also, CA divided by RP is equal to 10 by 15, 5 2s are 5 3s are. So all three are equal. Then you have to measure the angle. Again 2 2. Here A, B, C, P, Q, R. So you can write 50-50 degree, for example. It is 60-60 degree. It is 70-70 degree. So again, pairwise you have to write measure angle A, measure angle B. Sorry, now we will not write equal, we will write congruent. A, B, C, P, Q, R. So if these are equal, first ratio is equal to second ratio is equal to third ratio is equal to 2 by 3. So therefore it is by S, S, S also. All angle are congruent. That is why it is A and A. You can write AA also. Why? Because if two angles of two triangles are congruent, automatically third is congruent because sum of 3 is 180. So geometry experiment number 1, page number 1, table number 1, column number 1. Write pairwise AB, PQ. Second pair BC, RC, QR, CA, PR. 6 measurement. Then first by second, third by fourth, fifth by sixth. Find out. All means simplify. You will get equal. So SSS. Now measure this. A congruent to P, B congruent to Q, C congruent to R. So by A or A test, it is similar. Any doubt you can ask me on the spot. Now come to the page number 26. Homework. Write the corresponding component of ABC PQR to verify SSS test. This is the SSS test of similarity. So you will not write equal. So in that, what you will write? Question number first, homework question number corresponding. So what you will write? AB, BC, CA, PQ, QR, RP. In first, what you will write? In triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Second, in triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle C, PQ, angle C congruent to angle R, PQR. First answer is this, second answer is this. Write the corresponding components of ABC PQR for SAS.
सर स्क्रीन ब्लर दिख रहा है.
Okay, wait, I am doing. Triangle
Okay.
ABC triangle PQR. My ink is also completed. Now I am trying to use dark. No SAS, SAS. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR and angle B congruent to angle Q. So two side and include angle for SAS. This is for A test or AA you write for S test. both are similar, but according to the requirement they have asked to write. For SSS, you have to write three sides are in proportion. For AAA, you have to write three angles are congruent. Then they have given for SAS, so two sides in proportion, included angle are congruent. Now listen, they have given one experiment on that. One candle is burning, and they have hung up one opaque material triangle, not transparent, otherwise you will not get the shadow. This is the screen, so you will get larger shadow on that, because like this, like this, and like this. When screen goes away from the light, it become larger, larger, and larger. When it becomes closer, it becomes smaller, smaller, smaller. So now these three side means, for example, ABC we have to measure. Then make it a fixed position and take a dot on the screen. Remove the screen, draw the triangle, and again measure three. You will get this type of the reading. But in your practical exam, they will not give such a things. They will give write the test, write the pair, and sides are in proportion, corresponding angle are congruent. That's it. Here now first part is over. Any doubt you can ask now also.
Sir,
Ask.
sir, please explain again that experiment.
Okay. What in exam you will do? No, you will take this any two triangle, whatever will be the measurement. No, suppose it is 4, 5, and 6. So make it double. Simple. 8, 10, and 12. So every time the ratio will be equal. Half, half, half. I have taken 2/3. Okay. This by this, this by this, this by this. Three are equal. Then you measure this, right? Exactly. Suppose it is 52. So this will be also 52, 100%. If it is 64, then this is also 60. Then this will be again 64. So corresponding, write three pair. Then you have to write three pair congruent.
So,
Huh.
so I'm asking that upper diagram.
This,
Yes.
this is a hanging cardboard triangle, correct? This is a candle, burning candle. So it will form a shadow on a screen. Dark, it forms a dark shadow on a screen. So you have to fix the screen. You have to take just three dots, because when you will remove the screen, no shadow will vanish. So when it is at fixed position, take point, point, and point, then remove. Then draw the triangle. Then measure this, find out the ratio. Measure this, find out the ratio. Measure this, find out the ratio. Then all angles are congruent. That's it. Next, cut two identical right angle triangle from the cardboard. Name the vertices as it is. Draw the altitude on the hypotenuse on that. Divides triangle into two triangle. Name ABD, BDC. Page number next 27. What they have given that cut, it is a double page. You just cut horizontal and hypotenuse wise. So automatically it is a two right angle triangle. When I'll cut, I will when I'll make it separate. So you have cut at a time both. So both are same right angle triangle. Now the experiment is you have to write same name ABC ABC. Okay. Now from the vertices of 90-degree you have to draw this. D1 in next diagram. It divides triangle into two. See how to name this triangle. A, B, C. This is 90. So smaller one is X, this is Y, and this is Z, which is 90. Now here I am drawing 90. Here I am drawing 90. So Y is there, Z is there, so this is X. For this X is there, this is Z, so this is Y. So here 1, 2, 3 angle. Here 1, 2, 3 angle and full 1, 2 and 3 angle. So when you will cut this, so this full triangle and this both the triangles, all three are similar to each other. How? Where I have written x, no? You cut it. Here it is x. Here y. Here 90 means z. Here y. When I'll cut this, so this become 90 means z. This become y, and this is y. This is 90 z, and this is x. So when you will put x on x, no, it is equal. See, it is equal. When you put y to y, it will be equal. When you will put z to z, means both are 90. So these two triangles are similar. And again with full triangle, with this axis, okay. With y to y, it is okay. With z to z is okay. So three triangles x, when you will arrange on one another, all are equal. Y of all three, all are equal. So first original as it is, you have make a copy of it. So cut from here. So here smaller x, bigger y, then 90z, 90z. smaller x, bigger y, 90z. And in full triangle, 90z, smaller x, y. When you will cut this, z, z, x, y, x, y. So here x, y, z, here x, y, z, and here x, y, z. When you will put x, x, x together, no, it will be equal. So practically it is proved that when in a right angle triangle, when you will draw hypotenuse, altitude, sorry. So first, second, and itself, three, all three triangles are similar to each other. By observing the cutting, you have to prove, not by writing. Exactly same theory come for this sum of three angle of triangle is 180 without writing any words. Practically, how to prove this? So write here 1, write here 2. Take any triangle, big triangle, I'll show you. Then take a arc, same arc, 1, 2, and 3. Then from here, here, and here, cut and separate all three angles. Then try to joint on a line. So this is first triangle, second triangle, third triangle. So it is 180. How? This is any triangle. Now on each and every triangle, I will write the number. That is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I will separate 1, 2, 3 from each other. Now I will arrange one by one in a single line. So this is first, this is second, and this is third. First, second, and third. You can see a straight line, so it is half circle. Straight line means 180. Like that. If a quadrilateral also you will cut into the four part, no? Any quadrilateral. So angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3, angle number 4. Cut, cut, and match here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be full circle. So like this, without writing a single word, you can prove in a right angle triangle with altitude, when we cut that two part and the original part, all three are similar to each other, means three angle of three triangles are congruent. Next triangle, if you will separate the three angle and try to merge at single point, it will be half circle. Four angles of quadrilateral, when you will try to merge at a single point, it will be 360. Next page. ABC, ABD. A, B, C. Now I'll cut from here. So it will be like this. Separate part. If I'll cut from here, I'll cut from here. So ABD is this. and BDC will be here. So this is x, so this is x, this is y, this is y, and here it is 90. 90. Here it is 90. And when it is here, so 90, so this is x, so this is x. When it is x, 90, so this is y, this is y. 90. X, Y, 90. X, Y, 90. X, Y, 90. So triangle number 1, triangle number 2, triangle number 3. So triangle X, Y, Z means what? CAB. Similar triangle X, Y, Z, BAD. X, Y, Z, CBD are similar to each other. Now come to the page, next page number 28. We have to find out the length. Okay, for that, suppose it is 3. For that, we have to find out one particular this. But I am giving you the measurement. Take this is 10, 8, x is equal to 4 root 5. Y is equal to 12. I am giving the measurement 6 root 5. Or better, you can take the round figure. Don't take this. 6, 9, 16, 9, 4 3s are 12, 12. So this will be 12 square 144, 9 square 81. So this is 15. 16 square to 56. Take this measurement. This will be more better. So this is 20, this is 15, and total is 25. Okay, now write. Then it is very easy to write every calculation. AB is how much? AB 20. Then AD 16. BD 12. BC BC how much? DB, DB, DC, DC, AC. This segment is given, you just write the number. AC how much? 25. AB how much? 20. BC how much? 15. Okay, this is 90. In ABC, A, you can write 40, 50 and 90. So A, angle A, 40, angle B, 90, angle C, 50. So in this small angle, angle A is equal to 40, angle D is equal to 90, angle B is equal to 50, angle B 40, angle D again 90, angle C again 50. You are getting, I am, so you have to write this and this, this and this. Next column, they've asked BD by AD, BD by AD, 20 by 16, 4 5 za, 4 4 za. Then BC by BD, BD. How much is BC? How much is BD? 3 5 za, 3 4 za. Then they have asked ACAB. How much is AC? 25. AB 20. 5 5 za, 5 4 za. So all are equal. Now they have given angle A equal to angle A. Then angle AAA is equal to how much? 40. Angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90. Angle C is equal to angle B is equal to 50. This is first answer. This is second answer. In third column, all write 5 by 4, 5 by 4, 5 by 4. Third answer 5 by 4. This you can see, no, 5 by 4. In fourth answer, you will write 40, 90, 50. And last, triangle ABC is given. So in fourth answer, after fourth answer, first part is this, second part is this. But they have given according to ABC, no, ABC, ADB, BDC. And at the end, last point is this, that is given. Hence, it is proved practically that by measuring the sides and by measuring the angles, you can prove it is congruent. You can see, no, all the things or something is blur. Preeti, Shreya,
Yes, sir.
everything is okay? Screen okay?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I am.
Voice is coming very much clear, no, bachcha?
Yeah, sir.
See this 5-meter code with headphone, with extra this mic. How much goal I have done, no? So neck belt is now useless. Now if my full setting is on the terrace, no, from underground also I can speak with this long cord, you can see. Now I am become cable wala out of this teacher field. Okay, when it complete, no, you just tell me. And how much minute remain, beta?
Sir, 3 minutes.
Okay, so here then you have to paste, but they will not give the cutting. No need to do this. Saturday also 11 o'clock, Sunday also 11 o'clock. I want to complete this practical in this week only. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this much, whatever the fill in the blanks, no, that I have given the answer, you just write it. Those who don't have the book, no, books are already there in the school. From 11 to 2, you can collect. And every day we have to work. And after this, just reconnect 2-3 minutes because of 14th November Children's Day special. I want to talk. Rejoin this. And rest of the student and my team specially joined this. Writing part is over, then close. Close and rejoin so we can plan for what we can do.